Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload your website without having to use a FTP manager. Basically, if you have something like GoDaddy or anything else like GoDaddy where they actually provide you with a hosting part on their website where you can basically upload all your files and stuff like that, it basically works out easier than trying to do it any other way, because, well, I used to use FileZilla, and yeah, it was good, but at the end of the day it's a pain when sometimes you got to try and set it up or something like that. So anyway, firstly what you'll need is a website. That's obviously very important. I've just got a silly little website really that I've set up, which is also live as well, but I'm just basically showing you this for the video. And you'll, like I say, you're going to need to make sure you have a hosting account. So I'm pretty sure if you've got a domain already, like like facebook.com or whatever your domain's called, it's obviously being hosted by someone, so you need to use their hosting facilities. So when you've got your hosting all set up, you will need to go onto their little online FTP file manager, which is basically allowing you to upload all the content of your site to the actual hosting part. And then what you'll need to do from then is you will need to upload it. Now, as you can see, my website's already live, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a new folder so that it doesn't mess it up, and I'm just going to name this new folder YouTube, because that's basically who you are, aren't you, all of my followers? Just wait for that to create. There we go, it's created YouTube now. So I'll click on YouTube, which is a directory, and if you don't know what a directory is, that's something like facebook.com/YouTube. That's basically what I've created. Of course mine's torrenti, so it's torrenti.co.uk/YouTube. And then in that, obviously you need to put your index page. Now with my one, I've only named mine index, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload mine. So on GoDaddy, all you got to do is click on the upload button, click on browse index, and it will validate it. Now obviously if you've already got an index page but you've decided to update your website, you can just click on overwrite files. But if you didn't want to overwrite it, then it obviously won't proceed, because it's not going to update it, so you'd have to rename it. But anyway, not to confuse things, we'll just click upload here, and when that's done, I believe now if I go to my website, which is torrenti.co.uk/YouTube, it now shows me the website, which obviously in my Dreamweaver is that same website. So that's basically what it's done really. Now you need to make sure that it's named index, otherwise it won't show up. But I'm pretty sure you've got some knowledge of that anyway. If you haven't, then you've just learnt something. And that's basically how you upload something to your website. Now obviously all my images are attached to my website anyway in general, so that's how they've all been found and stuff like that. But obviously if this is your first time of uploading your website, you will need to put all of your folders in, like your images folder, your pages folder if you have a pages folder, or anything that you've basically got on your website which is a feature. You're going to have to drag all of that onto there. So at the moment I've only put my index page on there. If my website wasn't actually live, that nothing would show up because I don't have my images folder or anything. So you do need to make sure that you drag all of your folders and files and everything like that straight into your hosting area, so that it can then show up when you actually go to that part on your website. So anyway, I hope this has kind of helped. I know I do talk a little bit, but I'm trying to get it across to you on how you can upload all of your stuff to your website. So that's how you do it without using an FTP client like FileZilla. You just simply go onto their website, and that's basically how you do it. You obviously I used GoDaddy, and I know with many other services it's a bit different, but it's not exactly rocket science. All you got to do is just use some of their services and upload from there. I mean, there's many that do upload services anyway, so this is just basically a another way of uploading content to your website. So thank you for watching. Please like this video or subscribe, favorite it, you know, do all the YouTube things so I can get a little bit of credit from this. And thank you for watching. So hopefully I'll see you in my next video. See you later.